Legislative veto. The legislative veto, as a practical matter, allows Congress to prevent a countervailing attempt by the executive branch to implement a law in a manner contrary to the legislative intent. Congress can override the veto via a two-thirds vote with both houses voting separately, after which the bill becomes law. Lifeblood theory. The lifeblood theory constitutes the theory of taxation, which provides that the existence of government is a necessity, that government cannot continue without means to pay its expenses, and that for these means it has a right to compel its citizens and property within its limits to contribute. Lis mota. Lis mota is a Latin term meaning the cause or motivation of a legal action or lawsuit. The literal translation is litigation moved. Ministerial act. A purely ministerial act or duty is one which an officer or tribunal performs in a given state of facts, in a prescribed manner, in obedience to the mandate of a legal authority, without regard to or the exercise of his own judgment upon the propriety or impropriety of the act done. Moot and academic questions. An issue or a case becomes moot and academic when it ceases to present a justiciable controversy so that a determination thereof would be without practical use and value. In such cases, there is no actual substantial relief to which the petitioner would be entitled to and which would be negated by the dismissal of the petition. National territory. The national territory comprises the Philippine archipelago, with all the islands and waters embraced therein, and all other territories over which the Philippines has sovereignty or jurisdiction, consisting of its terrestrial, fluvial and aerial domains, including its territorial sea, the seabed, the subsoil, the insular shelves, and other submarine areas. The waters around, between, and connecting the islands of the archipelago, regardless of their breadth and dimensions, form part of the internal waters of the Philippines. Naturalization. It is the process by which a foreigner acquires voluntarily or by operation of law, the citizenship of another state. Open court doctrine. Civilians cannot be tried by military courts if the civil courts are open and functioning. Parens patria doctrine. Parens patria refers to the public policy power of the state to intervene against an abusive or negligent parent, legal guardian, or informal custodian, and to act as the parent of any child or individual who is in need of protection. On the other hand, in the juvenile justice legal system, parens patria allows the state to step in and serve as guardian for children, the mentally ill, the incompetent, the elderly or disabled persons who are unable to care for themselves.